when we were kids.
Sorry you had to experience it firsthand.
I cannot believe you fell asleep so fast.
Have a seat,
How
Pete.
dare you? I know you were beat down after the day with me. And Blade Runner is a pretty dreamy movie to watch at night.
So we'd always be able to find each other in case of emergency. Wowzer. Chloe drew that to mark her tree for it.
Come on,
David stashes his secret X-Files in there. I should have taken his photo when he flipped out on Kate today. That would be killer blackmail material. But he lost his ass.